Welcome to Surface International, manufacturer and exporter of shot blasting and spot peening machines. An ISO 9001-2008 certified company, incorporated in 2006 at Jodhpur. Our products are applicable in automobile, engineering, and other industries. Stringent quality checks, prompt after-sales services and hassle-free transactions are the reasons behind our success. We offer a huge gamut of construction equipment, centrifugal blasting, and shot peening machines. Airless or centrifugal blasting machines offered by us are well known for their impeccable performance. Our roller shot, LPG cylinder, and ash-8 with wide conveyor type blasting machines are best in the industry amongst others. Pneumatic or air-operated blasting machines are acknowledged for their functionality. We also provide construction equipments that are available at industry-leading prices. We have gained tremendous expertise in providing pollution control equipments and shot peening machines. To get more details, please visit our website www.surfaceint.com.